Spring is really the time you have to start putting in that work, have the summer body you want. With that being said, I've got some good news. Dog Pound's about to kick off another 8-week challenge. These challenges have been life-changing for so many. Thousands of pounds have been lost, lives have been changed. It is the works. We're gonna include everything. So here's a little bit about how it works. First things first, you come in, you get signed up. You get signed up anytime before March 1st. From there, we're gonna go to the grocery store. We are actually gonna make you an eating program that you enjoy based upon foods you like. Then we're gonna grab your measurements and your before photos. You'll have unlimited access to our team training classes from that point on. Workouts are designed for you. We're gonna walk you through this program, so it's for all levels. I don't care if you've never been to the gym or you're an expert at the gym. We're gonna push you through your workouts. We're gonna coach you. When you walk through these doors, it's hands-on, and we're gonna make sure you achieve those goals you want. At the end of the 8-week challenge, we will take your after photos, we'll put them side by side. Once the winners have been decided, that's right, there's 2 winners. Great news, the prizes have been bumped up and increased. Each of you will get $300 in automatic enrollment in the next Dog Pound KC challenge. So if you're interested, now's the time. Don't wait around, just get signed up. Challenge starts March 1st. Message me if you have any more questions and need any more details.